removing the EGR air system from a Raquetta scooter. So listen, I've seen a lot of videos online where people are pulling the valve cover and taking all kinds of stuff apart. And honestly, all you got to do is come right here, this air line right here, cut it with a grinder. You can leave it there if you want, it doesn't matter. Disconnect this rubber hose right here and unscrew the line right here. That big line comes around. This line comes around right here, comes down, and it connects right here. Just unscrew those two bolts. Cut this off right here. Carry it over to the bench over here. Grind off the pipe. Take some copper tubing, stick it underneath. This isn't copper tubing, but just for an example, just stick it underneath there like that. Fill that hole with weld. Grind it down flat again. Screw this back on. That blocks off the exhaust port, and you're done. You don't need to pull the valve cover and remove the reed and all that other stuff, because that is not, there's no hole in this valve cover. This valve cover just happens to hold the reed assembly with all this, but there's no reason to remove it. You can just leave it there if you want. And then on this scooter, my EGR system is right here, so I can just pull it off. Let's see. Just remove it from here, and there it is. So here's the EGR system right there. All I gotta do is unplug this one vacuum hose that goes right here. Right. Let's see right there. Unplug that, put a plug on it, and unplug this hose down here, and just remove it, and you're done. That's all there is to it. So anyway, I'm gonna get some copper tubing. I have two welders here, so I'll come over here. Here's the copper tubing. I'll go ahead and use this piece here. I'm just going to stick it up under here like that. Yeah, there it goes. And I'm just going to fill that weld, grind it, and put it back together. We'll remove the EGR system. Alright, and here's the weld job. As you can see on the top, this is the top, so that's the mud. Then you turn it over and it's beautiful on the other side. I'm not even going to grind on this side, I'm just going to leave it there. Got plenty of room. And just, there you go. So, alright. So I wanted to give you guys a look at the finished product. There's the bolt, you can see my weld job there. I left a bit of weld on the outside and cleaned the inside real good. I trimmed that down nice and flush so it didn't look all jacked up, and removed where the EGR goes there. I took the T off at the intake manifold and just took the T off completely and just plugged it right in. So that is the finished product.